Well, I guess you must have had a change of heart. You don't mock me like you used to at the start. Your contempt of Christ was so intense at heart. But I guess you must have had a change of heart. Can't believe you're now proclaiming saving grace. And your words are fully loaded with His praise. Not so long ago you cursed me from the heart. But I guess you must have had a change of heart. Well, goodbye to persecutions in the air. Now that same devotion to the Lord we share. They were fruits of stony heart that broke apart. Now they're gone because you've had a change of heart.